Malalau malia hau e ki mulelei a tonga hono kotoa. Whiawhia ke o talitali lei ki mōtol ki o mo unio ngongo, me le te o tonga ka o maafu ke televisione tonga ki he houani. Makai koe ki ngahi ulu i ngongo, whatokanga potunga i ngowe ke koloa mea tokoni whakai foifo minu usila, hili e ni hono mao ai momo i uka mea i loto i he koloa mea tokoni ko e ni. Lolo tonga whalau atu ai wakakalia wakalautala me i Tongatapu o whatau mua ki haapai. Pea kei whakahoka whatu palani ai kautaha maru e Pasifiki mo puri anga tonga ke whaunga e ngawe ake pa anga e mao mai me he kautaha ko ini. E te ia epe me ngahi taranua ke he anaiangi whataha me wakai ke whamimitaha me he mala e o sipoti ka umaafu e whamatala e aka koe wakai lewa en ke whakaikiki ko hau sinoli tātu i vai. Ko whapapau me he sino mao mawhai whawapule anga kino toka ngai kina ai mea tokoni, ai whia mao ke te toka ngangi ai kakai o tongani i he taimi o kuna whakataua toai e ngahi koloa mea tokoni whaifoifo me he ngahi whare koloa. O ku makatunga e ni me hono whakatoka ngai ane awhi a ngahi momo e uka mea i he ngahi koloa mea tokoni whaifoifo, ai kautaha ngahi mea tokoni inu utsila koe Dusty, kana ai os whafolau mai ai waka koloa mea tokoni ko ia i ki tongani i he ahoua, o e mahina kua osi o tu utaheni i aho tahawalu popua aho mo e whaikiki.
Ko e tokanga e ni ai ngahi kupu whekau aki te liana kua i tongani ai ngahi koloa mea tokoni whakaifoifo ne whakatokanga iai ai paropale mani. I he whamatala ai pule o e waangau e tokanga i kina mea tokoni e potngawe ngowe, nei pehe e savia atu e kaho ko hilieni e nau mau ai whetutaki me nu sila o whikau aki mo i palopale makoe ni, i he whingawe aki mo i potungawe mo ui, hiria hono whakatokanga i hangahi mo mo i uka mea, nei mama ki loto i he taimi, nei ngauhi ai ai ngahi koloa mea tokoni koe ni. O ku te eki ke mahino mai he lorotongani, pe nei anga whewhe ai mama ki loto i ngahi mo mo i uka mea koe ni ki he mea tokoni. Ai nei whamala alaheni atu e kaho ke ngahi koloa whakaifoifo o ku tō ki ai e whamamafa, ai hoha ako ia me he pot ngā we ke tokanga ki ai kakai o whanua.
Asipe ko nau brand ko Testy, Testy products. Ka koe ka hanga ko kulau, ko whanki snake ni hanga ko whanki nut bars, o ngahi me he almond chocolate, kau geba mo peanut, ko whanki yogurt fruit, apricot, ai ko whanki hanga pe ko kulau ko whanki ngahi fuameri e koe ni pia moe nuts unau hanga ngahi mea ai product koe ni. Ka koe palopare ma koe ni koe na e hoko koe inu usila pia ripoti ko ngawi whamamana lahi wako ni koe uwhaka hoko ki i he ngahi kautaha ngahi ao ngā mea toko ni o unau fuwhai totonu au pito o koe na tula e tolu o e palopare ma mea kai. Ulaki o pau o ku iahi hake mikare o ku mama o au ki he mea kai o ne whatupunga hakona. Pea koe ua ki ai o pau uia ha bacteria, pea ko ha whahinga, pea ko salmonella, pea ko ha whahinga kind of bacteria o malawa ke na hoko o kauhi he mea toko ni. Pea whatupunga i a palparema po kovi koe me te kon koea. Ko ki palparema whakaos kon koe na ripoti mai koe ni, koe momo i uka mea, o kai ke ilo e pena anga whewhe e nea u ki ai. Ka ko ripoti mai, is a physical, it's a physical spoilage, a pega contamination. Aia o ku hoko ni, ko mea pega wha asima he ripoti, ko whanki momo i uka mea na mama o aloa u ki ke no ngahi koe au mea tokoni, Pa ko hui ngai a koe o ku whai ai a hono whia mau whakawawe ke whai mo ngā ue atu ke kautaha koe na nau o mai ai product ko ni. Pea ua piki ai kono whakasio i he ngahi wharikoloa ko toa pe o ku iai ha product e malawa ki whatonga i hono o mai koe ai patch code pe koe ngahi whamatala koe koe pea me nusila koe me info center mo MPI.
Ko e toka ngai pot ngā winga ue, he whinga aki mo pot ngā ue mo ui te ria na awesi ai mo ui e kakai o ki nau tolu te nau mao e ngahi koloa koe ni. Aia i he lolo tongani o ku whaipea ngā aue poti ngā aue ke no whakatokanga atu ki he kakai e whanua. Ke toi tokanga ange ki ngāhi koloa whakaifoifo nau whakatau, pia ke whitu utaki ki he potu ngā aue ka whaiwhai ange o ku whakatokanga i hataha ai ngāhi koloa koe ni i he ngāhi whale koloa, kai malama ke whai atu ki ai hanga aue. Ko e tokanga ke tō mua whakapapau i ai koloa ke mahino pia toki whai hanga aue ki ai. I he mahino koe ni ihi pe i he ngāhi koloa koe ni o ku whai ki ai e tokanga. Tau te whito ke whai hea whakafōfua ki he maa i taimi na e whakawhalau mai ai e ngāhi koloa. Ke ino i koloa whakaifoifo na e toki whakawhalau mai me Nusila i he mahina ni. Ko i kautaha ne whakatokanga i ai palopele ma koe ni koe tasty i Nusila. Kua wholoa tau pe nau whaiwhatongia ngauhi mea tokoni, talo me he taha hiwa tolu wā.
Kua tohi i historia a Tonga, ai hili eni ai lau i tau, kua toi whakafoki mai ai wholau wakakaria i Tongani. Nai whailonga i he pongponge ahoni a mana ke wholau watu ai kalia wakalautala, tomi Tongatapu ni o whataumu a ki he apai. Koe kalia koni ne whau i he matao tātongi mai whau waka ko Stephen i whihoko. I he polokalamani nei me minister e potongai takmamata o Vikia, ai ngā aue me whakaukau ko e ni, ka hui o kutoi whakafoki mai e he kalia a historia to tonu ai Tonga. Nāne tui mea koe tahane polokalama kune hai mai ai, ai uki ai Tonga ke tui ngawe aki pe ngahi koloa ai Tonga. E mahino o kamata ke mōlia atu e ngahi talatuku whakaholo ai Tonga, mo ngahi koloa ne ngawe aki e he kauhelo i he kohili.
Ka kuke o mai e poto ko ia Steven ke ahoni, o ke kai ke whaari koe waka. O kai koe kari aia. Koe tau i hene ahoni, koe tau whaari identity, pe koe Tonga, mooni i ahoni. Pakeu peha ki irea ko atua ki mautolo, kai ngā Tonga mo hene ahoni, i he waka ko e ni, karia ko e ni, o kai ke nahanga ia whakafofongai, hawahe whanua. O kune whakafofongai, koe Tonga e. Koe tau wanga whakafonua e, pa kune hanga holo i mai, ai lau marie, o tau ancestors, ki nau tolu, na nau ki mua, e tau moui, o tae fihi, e whei lau, o hau mai ki ahoni, ko tau au sia, ai karia ko ni whamalo atu.
Lolo tonga ni nei wahe maali e toko tahana ani fōu ai kalia ko ini Stephen Whihoko ai tau mua ani fōu ai waka. I he ene veke ke ipuke pe ai ngā aue na e whakahoko e he ene tau ke te kua mama o atu. Ai na ane wholau kalia o takai a mamani me ngai whanua o e Pasifiki. I ka ingatai ka koe wholauat ko ini o whatau mua ke mai mua whelotei ai tahine princesi ai o amana ke whakahoko i haapai i a wiki kaha o. Nāne pehe ai koe tahine whenga maari ke whakahaha ma whakari alea e koloa nā nau tutupu hake i haapai o ngawe aki ka koe wholau i he karia.
Whakaukau ko ia, ne mau whai mo i ki whanau, koe mau whakaukau ke whakatolonga e ilo ko ia o e whou e karia. Pe koha mea pe e whai ke whailonga i aki, ai tuku whakaholo ko ia o e whewholau aki, pe mo e mea nei iloa ai e whonuani i e Pasifiki, ko e whewholau aki holo i e ngai whonua kau ngā api, ai ane au peke ngai tuunga ne nau purei. A ngahi whanua kau ngā api i he tupu pia me he lelei ko ia o e nau whewholau aki. E taha e uhinga o e ku whai e ki whakaukau koe ni ke wholau, ko hoku taukete ko Vriami Whihoko. Na e wholau ia toko taha peo takai a mamani. Pea ne si pekia ia e he uawhe. Pea ko ia na whakaukau koe ta uanima eni o ene more atu. Na ne wholaua e Pasifiki mo e whanua mo konga lahi o mamani single-handed bag e takai ko winga mo hawaka pena ne fōu. Pea whakaukau ke mahanga pea mo toko ua ko taukete ko iskeri Whihoko. Ko ia ne tokoni ke au hono fōu e ki karia ko ni. Pea ma whakaukau e ma whai beha ki mea. Ke whakailonga i be ai mea ne whai e ma taukete ko ia. Pea ko e uhinga e taha ia uhinga. Ko e ua hono uhinga, e taim na ulawe i ai o kumea e tahine princesi ki hapai, i hene whekumi. Na e mahino ki au, ko e tala o e whanua o e atu, i haano, ko e tala ia o hiko i tauranga.
Kai ke koe kalia koe ni ne wholawa tu mi Tongatapu ni i he hoatai aho ni o whatamua ki pangai ha apai pia e toku wholawa ki he wahi kauwai i he pongpongi toko nā ki. Nā e whakahoko ni awhi polokalama koe kautaha malu e Pasifiki i he teimu hoko a whatamak whaina tolopu Pacific Catastrophe Risk Insurance Company. Mo ngai hoa ngā au i he puli anga Tonga o whatamua ki halea i mo whotutua ngahi palani ngā au i ki ha paanga e ala mau e tongani i a hoko ha whatamaki. Ai koe paanga e ni e mau me he kautaha malu i wha Pasifiki pe koe whawheitu koe ni ai Pasifiki. Li te atau kapu na i he polokalamani o ne mai whaiki ki o talana koe ki hauani.
I he whakaike eke ai o ngonga le te o Tonga mo i ofisa whale i whakawhanua a Tonga ki e kautaha malu i whawhituko e ni ai Pasifiki pe PCRIC i Tongani te o Filusi ti weti. Nā ne whakamaala ala i ke whatongia ai PCRIC mo ngā hele lei ko i nasi ai a Tongani me he kautahani.
Ko e ako ki ano, ko e ako ke tokon, ono whao e palani ki ano, no to tongi atu e ngahi, whangau tau maa. Kaya whitu ki kautaha koni ko e piku. Ko e piku ko e kautaha Pacifiku, ia Pacifiku. Ko e kautaha malu, insurance company, nau tio ki ia ia ko tonga e tongani e malu, ko tonga malu i performance. Ko e malu ia e tongani e nai mea fuiki e awha o kauen tēmi koko drought. Ka koe roa mai wen, koe whanata mai kau karai ke keme ngai tunga ke whao e palani koani ki whonga na tuku atu paa. Ki tutuna e paa ka maua e paa nga koani maui. Teimu kopa whaingata, teimu kopa whaingata, ka maa mai e sēni koe atu. E lawa tutonga atu, kai e sio e whao palani.
Nā e tatake a koni e whawhawhonga me he polokalama mea tokon a Māmani Pika World Food Program. O whakahoko ai a lea me ngahi hoa ngāwe ne nau kau atu ki he polokalama, ki a ngahi ngāwe e malawa ke whai ake totong malu i me he kautaha i he taimi o hoko ai ha whakatamaki i he kaha u. Pehe e ti weti, o mahu inga e ngāwe ni ke lawa hulu i mai ai e ngai whakatutu o ngāwe ai pule anga Tonga, ke whakawhaingo fuangi ai ai ngāwe o whakahoko i e taimi o mau ai ai totong malu i kai lawa lewa o si isi i angi ai ai tuai a ngai ngāwe hili angi ha whatamaki.
Nere e ko mau whuke tongani e temu hoka whatamaki, o wha mai tongani e totongi paanga mai kautaha ni, ono mahu inga ke mateu tewa tongani, i e waine palani, a me ngā kase pau babeng no tupote se te kia ke kai ko pe ma uta ke se ni tai ma me ya mo lava o wa ko kai to mo sia ga tau.
Ke mau inga ia polokalama ko e ni ka hoko ai whakatamaki e o mai e paanga malu i ke whaunga ma teu teu a Tongani. Pea ka au ke taimi ko ia ko os mau pe e ngahi palani. Ke kautaha PCRIC, ke kautaha ia Pasifiki yung nau whaki e paanga malu i ma ai ngai whanua ku tuula vea ngofua ki e whakatamaki whakaina tula o kauai a Tongani. O totongia i e Tongani e paanga malu i ki he kautaha ke o mai e paanga malu i ki he whanua o ka hoko ha whakatamaki. Ma ai o ngongo a le te om televisioni Tonga, kauritea tau kapo.
Pea i he kakato e kātoanga ki ono whailonga i o makamaile tau ni mga fulmani me wāwha diplomatik a Tongani mo Australia. O ka manaklelea tala whikau lahi Australia ki Tongani e ki hoko atu pē ai laka ki mua mo langa hake ai wāwhinga o aki māwhana ai o ngofunua.
Nā e whakahai tala whikau lahi a Australia ki Tongani, e ne honga ia mo whiwhia makehe i e wāwhinga o aki wāofi a Tongani mo Australia, ai ane whakailonga ia i he hā elea he na āwhiwhio, hono whakamana toa i Australia ai ni minima tau, he wāwhaka diplomatika a Tongani mo Australia i he mahina ko o si. I whakaike eke makehe me tarawhikaolahi a Australia ki Tonga ni, His Excellency Brack Batley. Nā ne whamama whaia ia mahu inga ai ngāwe whakataha a Tonga mo Australia, ai ne whakahāia I he taritari mā whana he kainga Tonga I Australia e na āwhiwhio. Pēr ne whailonga I makehe ai ni ihi Tonga, no wha Australia ne nau tokoni ki Tonga I e ngai taimi o whakatamaki o hange koe pā ai mo o ngāwhi, hunga Tonga hunga haapai. Ne pehe e he tarawhikaolahi, o whia a Australia ke tokonia ngahi ngāue ki ono langa whakalakalaka a Tonga ni, o hange koe nau tokoni whakapaanga ki e pot ngāue mo ui, ki ono taui a ngahi mahaki I kai pipihi, pe koe non-communicable diseases. Mo nau tokoni ki ngai apiako I he palokalama tokoni, ki ono langa mo whakafo a ngahi loki ako. Nā ne toi pehe, taha a ngahi tokoni lahi taha a Australia ki Tonga ni, kono whakapaanga langa whakalahi ai wafu Queensalo te, ai au whakafofua ke paanga Australia e 3 miliona a hono langa. Ne toi pehe he tarawhikaolahi, o ku kei wikia pe a Australia, ke tare a ngahi kore tokoni a Tonga ni I he taimi o whakatamaki, mono tokonia a langa whakalakalaka a Tonga ni ki he kaha u. O ku kei hoko atu pēa ngahi tokoni a Australia ki Tonga ni, moe nau ngahi palani ki he kaha u ki he lelei whaloku fua a Tonga ni, moe Pasifiki. Ma ai o ngongo a le tiome televisione Tonga, ko auritea tau kapo.
Uni o ngong whalatwhonu ai ki Hawaii, te tau hoko lewa eni ki he whamui taha me malai o sipoti o kahili eni, pia mo pia oli e.
Malamu tau ki whilongo ki koe wakaini ki malai o e sipoti. Ko whiri e toko tolu Tonga, na uswainga e timi koe e mate mātonga ko Tony Staggs, e lesa kātoa mo Arden Whanua Blake ki he ngahi tuunga lelei taha o e whiahi koe e malai e nāla e la ki he tau, pe koe kātoanga whalangilangi ene hono whaki koe e ai metari Deli M. Koe sipoti pe ia.
Ko pia oli e me whamumitaha mi he malai o sipoti, koe wakalewa eni ki he whamatala ea, tuku me senta whamatala ea tonga I whamotu, pea mo pesa kuila.
Malo lau mareho eki pia mo lere e tonga kotoa, tai tari whiawhia ki mautolu ki he e tau whamatala ea ko ia I he e whiawhini, ngahi tā noa lalahi le waino e aho whatonga I ange. Lahi ke alomari e pe ki he kotoa pe ngahi vai whanua ko ia o tu Tonga, taim lere e nge whakahoko e tau ngahi whatongia kehe, ta tau pei tōkanga, wharehanga, pe whoki ngā tai. Ka he tau whanonga tua me he pōni ki a pongi, whatonga iange, kei mairi moko nge pe ea I he taim po uri, tau te whito ke ngahi vai whanua ko ia wawau, haapai, Tongatapu, pia mo eua. Ka he tau imi satellite, whatonga e ngahi vai whanua ko nio wawau, haapai, Tongatapu, pia mo eua, lahi ke alomari e pe, pia taftonga langi a ngai taimi, whau pe ke au whia mai a ngai taimi, pia malapi ke mawhangi ua tu moto maa pe, tau te whito ke ngahi vai whanua ko ia niwa fo ou, kai pe whoki ki niwa to tapu. Wakai o ke Pasifiki ahi nima koe ka hoko mai, whatonga e nguha alomari e, o kune ngā unu whakahahake atu pia me he tau tawha aki whakatonga hake, au ne whetukutuku mai tau tokanga matangi o angi pia me hake, mo toke lau hake, I he whakaosinga e weekendi, ka o ke ha alotamaki uha, o kune ngā unu mage ngahi eria koia haapai, Tongatapu pia mo eua, whafofua ke sāpate pia mo e monite koia o e wike kaha. O ka hitemi tatau pe, o ke ha alomari e kune ngā unu mai, pia me he tawha aki whakatonga hifo, whafofua ke tūsite koia wike kaha u, ke tofu hia ko toa pia e o tu Tonga. Ka he tau whanonga koia I he e whiawhini koe ki a pongpongi whatonga iange, lahi ke alomari e pe ke kotoa e ngahi wahe whanua koia o tu Tonga. Whatonga ake kei mairi moko nge pe ea I he taim po uri, o au e maulala taha koe fua mawhana. Tigilise siase taha nima ki Tongatapu pia mo eua, pia o pe ke tigilise siase ua tolu ki he ongo niua. Ke iangi pe tau tokanga matangi pia me he tonga hake, mai le tahe hongo fulu ke taha nima ki he hoa. Tau te whito ke ngai potahi koe ni o wawa uha apai, Tongatapu pia mo eua, pia hiki hake wau ke mai le tahi eua noa ki he hoa, ke ngai potahi koia o e ongo niua. Ko tau whamatala ea le vani ka pongpongi whatonga iange, tau kei wheawa e pepea mo alomari e, tau fuhia ko toa pe o tu Tonga, tu kehenga taime ki au fia e fōtunga langi, pala pekea whanki uha tu umato maa a ki wawa upea moha apai a pongi. Lahi ke alomari e peke he o tu Tonga. Kei mairi moko ange pe ea I he taime pauri a pongpongi pea upe maalunga taha koe fua mawhana ke pongpongi. Tigilise siase ua nima ki Tongatapu pea mo eua, pea upe ke tigilise siase ua fitu ki he ongo niua, ke yangi pe tau toka ngamatangi, me he hake, mo tonga hake, mai le tahe hongo fulu ke taha nima ki he hoa, pea hiki ake o ke mai le tahe wanoa ki he hoa, ke kotoa pe ngahi po tahi ko ia, oi otu tonga. Tai mihua pea moe mamaha ko e tahi, ma toka ia, o si wanima mi he hiva he poni, tau maari e hawhe e wha a hengi hengi. Ko la a moe mahina, whatonga iange hopo la a i he, o si wataha mihe o no a pongpongi, pea tō ia i he toi minite wataha ki he fitu, e whiawhipeko ia a pongpongi. Hopo e mahina, o si wataha mihe tolu a hengi hengi, pea tō ia i he toi minite taha hiva ki he tolu, e whiawhipeko ia a pongi pongi. Whaos pea tau wakai ki he tau whapatala ea ko ia ki he aho e nima ka hoko mai ki Nuku'alofa, o kamata he toko naki o i wikeni, ki he pure lulu ko ia o i wike kaha u. Alo maari pe tau whanongan ko he wikeni, whafofua peke, iaha uha tu umoto kamata he sāpate ko ia o i wikeni, mala peke lololahi a ngahi taimi, moha mana i he monite ko ia o i wike kaha u ki Tongatapu. Whao peke alo maari ki he tūsite, pe mo pure lulu ko ia o i wike kaha u. Walunga taha koe whua maa whanau ke aho nima ka hoko mai ki Nuku'alofa, tikiri se se ua wha ki he ua ono. Koe ka kato ia e tau whamatala ea, malo o pito mo mea mai, ka mo mea.
Ko pesa kuilai me whamumitaha o e tuku mai whamumitaha ko ia o e tuunga o e ea, ka kimo apatau maa vai tatu e whakaipe heni ki he ngahi ulu i o ngongo. Whatokanga potunga e ngowe ki he koloa mea tokoni whakaifoifo mi Nuku'alofa, hili e ni hono mau ai momo e uka mea i loto i he koloa mea tokoni ko e ni. Lolotonga whalau atu ai wakakalia wakalautala me i Tongatapu o whatau mua ki haapai. Pea kei whahoka whatu palani ai kautaha maru e Pasifiki me pure anga Tonga ke whaunga e ngau ake paanga e mao mai me he kautaha ko e ni. Pea me kakata pea mo unio ngongo ke hauan me ia whakaamu na e au tonu atu ki loto whale ai Tonga hono kotoa. Whamalo te tau kei whi au mai, ko sinori tatu i vai, ka mamea.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga News for tonight. Making headlines, the Ministry of Food issues a warning about imported food products from New Zealand believed to be contaminated. Kalia Wakalautala embarks on its maiden journey from Tongatapu to Ha'apai this afternoon. PECRIC and related partners in government conduct a workshop on developing a plan for dispersing insurance payouts in the event of a disaster. We'll have these and more stories coming up later on in this bulletin, as well as the latest in sports and over the update to wrap up this hour's news package. Now for the news in detail, I'm Popua Aho. The Food Standards Australia, New Zealand and New Zealand's Ministry for Primary Industries have issued a notification on the recall of various products by Tasty Products Limited due to the possible presence of metal pieces. The Ministry of Foods are issuing a warning to the Tongan public to be wary of food products under the Tasty brand that have been brought recently, as they believe there is a possibility some of the contaminated products could have been shipped to Tonga.
The head of the food division, Savia Atuekaho, says they're issuing this warning following communication from New Zealand regarding the issue. They are working in collaboration with the Ministry of Health to help address the issue. The concern of the authorities is the potential risk to public health for those who may have already obtained these products. At present, the ministry is actively warning the public to be extra cautious about the food products they purchase. They are also asking the public to contact the ministry if they find any of the identified products in stores so that appropriate actions can be taken. These products include any of the Tatsi Products Limited imported foods between August and September. The warning is to first confirm the products in question before taking any action. So far, only certain products are under scrutiny, especially those that were shipped during this recent period. Speaking for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Agnes Wamboa.
The Ministry of Tourism has revived Tongan seafaring skills and knowledge with the successful construction of a traditional Tongan canoe, Wakakalia, which is set to depart Tongatapu today for Ha'apai.
The Ministry of Tourism this morning held a special program to celebrate this milestone as the Kalia Wakalautala embarks on her maiden journey to Ha'apai. Tourism Minister Moimoi praised the initiative for helping restore and maintain Tonga's seafaring history. He encouraged the continued use of traditional knowledge and local resources, especially at a time when many cultural practices are at risk of being lost.
So this kalia is not representing what he can do today, but that kalia is showcases what our ancestors have done to Tonga. So this launching is also significant because it is more than just a cultural event. We are not here just to see a dance or a culture of Tonga. It is a message to the young people of Tonga today, the generations of today. That kalia is a message telling them that we have hope. It is a message for the kids and for our community that our traditions are very much alive, relevant and worthy to be preserved. So I think, Steveni, we salute you. You are showing the courage of our ancestors. What they have done, because they have seen a vision. I'm sure they have seen this very historic moment.
The canoe built using traditional methods was crafted by master carver builder Steveni Fehoko. Fehoko shared that building the Vakalautala was a deeply personal project dedicated to the memory of his late brother, a skilled navigator who once sailed across the Pacific and around the world.
I'm such a little boy, grew up in the island where canoes is something that we have to have a canoe, not a car, but a canoe. You go fishing on a canoe. If there is no boat to bring us from Ha'ano, from my home island, there will be a canoe to paddle all the way from my island to Pangai to bring us to school. And when that memory back home and the experience that I have make me with committed heart to stand up and say, okay, I'll do this. And today, if we can't reach Hawaii, that's part of my project. Just maybe stop before Mango and then come back. But what a great thing to know of your sponsor us and your help to maintain and to revive the culture in our country.
The voyage to Ha'apai is also part of the upcoming Felotoi project, which will be hosted by Princess Latu Fuipeka next week in Ha'apai. Fehoko said the journey offers a unique opportunity to showcase the traditional skills and heritage of Ha'apai, especially the arts of voyage by canoe. The Vakalautala was departing from Tongatapu this afternoon, heading to Ha'apai, and is expected to continue on to the Kauai district on Monday morning.
The Pacific Catastrophe Risk Insurance Company, or PACRIC, held a workshop yesterday for related stakeholders in government to develop a national disbursement plan for Tonga 2025-2026.
In an interview with Radio and Tonga News and PCRIC National Consultant for Tonga, Teofulusi Tiweti explained that this training focused on developing a plan for disbursing insurance payouts should a disaster strike. These discussions in the workshop will shape the operational plan for how Tonga will receive payouts from PCRIC in times of cyclones, droughts or other natural hazards. This workshop was co-hosted by PCRIC in the United Nations World Food Programme, WFP, to guide government agencies and NGOs in planning and executing strategic interventions so that the insurance fund can be disbursed efficiently when needed. Tiweti emphasized that this training is important for enabling Tonga's government to streamline processes so that when a disaster does occur, the payout from PCRIC can be accessed promptly. The goal is to reduce delays in relief efforts and ensure that funds reach communities in need as quickly and as effectively as possible. PCRIC is a regional entity created to provide parametric disaster insurance to Pacific Island countries,
offering payout based on predetermined triggers such as cyclone wind speed thresholds, rather than detailed post-disaster loss assessments. Through efforts like this workshop, Tonga aims to build stronger internal systems so that when disaster hit, insurance payouts can truly make a difference in recovery and resilience. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Litea Taukapo. As the celebrations of the 55th anniversary of the Tonga-Australia diplomatic ties wrap up in Australia last month, the Australian High Commissioner to Tonga is optimistic about the continued growth of the two countries' relations.
In an interview with the Australian High Commissioner to Tonga, His Excellency Brake Bately discusses the evolving relationship between Tonga and Australia, highlighting the significance of recent commemorations including the 50th anniversary of Tonga's consulate office and the 55th anniversary of diplomatic ties between the two nations celebrated in Australia last month. Their Majesties King Tupou VI and Queen Nanasi-Pau'u attended several different events as part of the celebrations in Australia. His Excellency Brake Bately expressed the significance of Their Majesty's state visit, emphasizing the strong ties between the two nations. His Excellency also emphasized the growing collaboration in areas such as climate resilience, cybersecurity, education, and health.
We have a decades-long health partnership, and it's an area that is fundamental to any government, any country, is public services, particularly in health and education. We work on NCDs, non-communicable diseases, with the Health Ministry. And I know during Their Majesty's visit, one of the visits was to the Garvan Institute in Australia. And this is an incredible project, our DNA project, about thinking forward with science and technology and research. How do you help communities to prevent diseases such as diabetes?
Yes.
And so this is the sort of areas that we're working in and will increase our assistance in over the coming years. We're working on health, strengthening the systems of the health ministry and the health services here through direct budget support into the health ministry. In education, we've got the Safe and Resilient Schools project, helping to build school infrastructure here. And I know that there's numerous schools that have benefited from new dormitories, new classrooms in the last year. Energy is a critical area for all our countries, and how Australia is supporting that renewable energy transition for Tonga, but also the stabilisation of the grid here as more solar and wind comes in. That's been a long-running project of ours together with Tonga, as well as how do you get solar to the outer islands? How do you increase 24/7 energy to the outer islands, all outer islands?
He further discusses Australia's plans on climate resilience, which includes a $10 million program fund which aims to boost Tonga's disaster preparedness by funding small-scale infrastructure and enhancing emergency response capabilities. Australia is investing in Tonga's infrastructure and energy future with a $31 million upgrade to the Queen Salote Wharf and a new Parliament House underway. The High Commissioner also expressed that the relationship between Tonga and Australia is growing stronger every year, and they will continue to work together to assist each other in areas that may need improving, fostering mutual development, and strengthening their partnership for the future.
That this is a relationship that's strong, it's built on trust, it's built on opportunities, and it's forward-looking. We are always working together to think, how do we support communities? How do we support our country to advance? How do we protect each other's sovereignty, but also advance our prosperity? And I think there's no better example than that of the visit by Their Majesties last week to Canberra and to Sydney, where the full breadth of the relationship was on display. That's the government-to-government relationship at Government House with our Australian Governor-General, and the signing of the Kaumia Ofi, the Close Friends Statement of Intent. the work that we have done in our health sector, looking at how do we together with the powerful symbolism of Her Majesty supporting this, how do we address things like cervical cancer, not just in Tonga but in the region. This is a cancer for girls and women that is preventable. And this is something that we can work together on. And in our education links, how do we build those even stronger so that it's easier for a 17-year-old or a 20-year-old Tongan to be connected to Australian schools and universities or their curriculum?
Speaking for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Agnes Wambua.
That was the latest from the local scene. Up next, here's Pierre Ollier with the latest in sports.
Welcome back in sport. 3 former Tonga players have been recognized at the Daily M Awards. Cotoni Stacks of the Broncos was named Centre of the Year. Sharks forward Arden Fanua Blake was selected at prop. And Stormback rower Elisa Kantoa earned Best number 11. Meanwhile, Rooster centre Roberto Ian claimed the NRL Rookie of the Year award and is expected to be in contention for Tonga's Pacific Championships squad.
That was Pierre Ollier with sports news. Now taking a look at the latest weather update presented by Besa Kuila and the Tonga Met Service team.
Good evening, Tonga. Welcome back to our weather forecast from Tonga Met Services. Our main story for this evening, we expect fine weather across the Kingdom of Tonga, and it is great for outdoor activities, but please take note the continuation of cooler air temperature at night time, especially for Vava'u, Ha'apai, Tongatapu and Ewa. For our satellite imagery, as you can see for Vava'u, Ha'apai, Tongatapu and Ewa, mainly fine with clear skies, apart from cloudy periods over to the further north for Niua Fo'ou and Niua Tongatapu with a possible few showers. Across the region the next 5 days, a high pressure system sitting to the southeast of the group, which circulates an east to north easterly wind flow across the Kingdom of Tonga by the end of this week. However, we are now concerned on this trough approaching Ha'apai, Tongatapu and Ewa by Sunday and Monday early next week with a mostly cloudy with occasional rain, possibly heavy at times with isolated thunderstorm. Not only that, but there is a high pressure system moving from the southwest and dominating our areas starting on Tuesday with a mainly fine weather. Bringing the weather closer to home into Island Division from this evening to early tomorrow morning, we expect fine weather across the Kingdom of Tonga apart from cloudy periods. For the winds, southeasterly winds 10 to 15 knots, rising up to 20 knots for all of Tonga coastal waters. And the overnight minimum temperature, 15 degrees Celsius for Tongatapu and Ewa, across to the Niuas of around 23 degrees Celsius. Forecast for tomorrow, we expect a similar condition with a mainly fine apart from cloudy periods with a possible few showers for Vava'u, but generally fine for all of Tonga. For the winds, southeasterly winds 10 to 15 knots and rising up to 20 knots for all of Tonga coastal waters. And the maximum temperature for tomorrow, 25 degrees Celsius for Tongatapu and Ewa, across to the Niuas of around 27 degrees Celsius. For the tide prediction, low tide 9:25 p.m. tonight, high tide at 3:30 a.m. early tomorrow morning. Sun and moon, sun will rise at 6:21 a.m. early tomorrow morning, sunset at 6:39 p.m. tomorrow evening. Moonrise 3:21 a.m. early tomorrow morning and moonset at 2:41 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. Wrapping up with our 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa, starting this Saturday until Wednesday next week, we expect fine weather with a developing scattered showers by Sunday for Tongatapu and possibly heavy at times with isolated thunderstorm from Monday next week and becoming fine by Tuesday and Wednesday next week. For the maximum temperature in the next 5 days for Nuku'alofa, 24 to 26 degrees Celsius. Thank you for tuning in. Malo opito. See you next time.
Thank you to Bessa and the team at the Tonga Met Service for that latest weather update, wrapping up this hour's news package with Radio and Television Tonga News. But before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. The Ministry of Food issues a warning about imported food products from New Zealand believed to be contaminated. Galia Vakalautala set to depart on its maiden journey from Tongatapu to Ha'apai this afternoon, and the PECRIC and related partners in government conduct a workshop on developing a plan for dispersing insurance payouts in the event of a disaster. That was the latest news with Radio and Television Tonga News for tonight. Thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.